Hey everyone, it's Terry Cutler, and today I want to show you a magic trick. Now you might be thinking, well, aren't you in cybersecurity? What's this guy do with magic? Well, there's a lot of similarities because when a hacker breaks into your environment, okay, his job is to create misdirection. So if he's hacking in a system over here, making believe there's a problem, he's actually over here stealing your credit card information, your passport information, your passwords, your identities, everything else that they need, okay? So let me just show you in this demonstration. So here's a deck of cards, right? They're all different, very simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually pick your card right now. Okay, we'll say stop. And the 8 of clubs will be your card. Okay? So what we're going to do here is I'm going to take the rest of the pack, drop it on top, and your card, the 8 of clubs, will jump to the top of the pack. You watching? You see that? So what happens here is that a lot of companies, they think that, okay, I have a firewall, I have encryption, I have an antivirus, that I'm safe. But the hackers know this, and they're getting past this very simply, and that's why they're staying in your environment 6 to 18 months prior to being detected. So if we take your card now, put it at the front of the pack, snap the finger, give it a little shake, you can see that all your cards become the same. And that's what's happening right now is companies are giving way too much access to their employees. They don't realize what they have, and even a basic audit needs to be done. So if we take your card, put it back at the front of the pack, snap our fingers, you can see that all your cards have come back to the way they were. And just like most customers, they don't have a clue how it happened.